Hey guys, today I'm here with Angela Noriega.
Well, my channel is called Angela Loves Life because I decided to switch it.
Yeah, I decided to change mine, and I'm gonna be changing mine to Madcraft123. And we are here camping. If you can't tell, watch this. This is our parents' room, and this is where we're gonna sleep. This is where Angela's gonna sleep on the bottom bunk. I'm gonna sleep on top bunk.
Yeah.
It's like right on the roof. I'll show you. Watch this.
Okay.
See that? I'm like right on the roof. But like I'm not on my bed right yet, so yeah, sorry, my bed.
She's gonna usually be on my bed because, like, I don't know. She just said she's mostly gonna be on my bed, but not when she's gonna be sleeping.
So yeah. We're gonna check back in with you guys tomorrow for like fishing and swimming and stuff. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
Why was this low?
Hey guys, so now it's morning and I'm about to start making breakfast with my stepmom, and it's gonna be bacon and eggs, and yeah, I'll come back to you when we start making it. Definitely. Okay guys, we just got done eating, had bacon and eggs, so good. So we're probably gonna go Pokemon hunting and swimming and stuff like that. So yeah, see you. And we're gonna be fishing and stuff, so yeah.
Yeah,
Bye.
said.
Okay guys, so right now I'm fishing, and later we are going to go paddle boating and then maybe swimming. So I haven't got anything yet. I just like got a few bites and they want to stay on, so
No.
Whoa.
Wow.
So yeah, that's all. Sorry, hold on. My brother's crying. Hello guys, so we are getting ready to leave. We're cleaning up the cabin. So yeah.
That's why only Pampers Swaddlers
I'm
is
gonna,
the #1 choice of hospitals.
Yeah.
To wrap your baby in blanket-like softness and premium protection,
What's up?
so that all they feel
So
is
yeah.
love. Wishing you
Well, I guess I'll talk to you guys on the road.
Toys from the new